So here what we want to do is we want to find out why the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So we want to derive that expression. So we start with this, which is e of natural log of x is the same as x using natural log and e properties. Now what we do is differentiate both sides. So that's gonna be d dx of e natural log of x equal to d and dx. Now we just take the derivative of both sides. Now on the left side we'll have to apply the chain rule with the outside function e and the inside is e natural log of x. So the inside function again multiply gonna be d dx of natural log of x, and the derivative of x is just 1. Now we want to move e of natural log of x to the other side. So we have to divide by this term. And remember that e of natural log of x is the same as x. Therefore, the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. Now we have these examples and we want to differentiate these examples. So first, natural log of x squared plus 1. We want to take the derivative of this function. Notice here we have a function inside of the other, so we have to use the chain rule. First, we start by the outside, which is natural log, with derivative will be 1 over what's inside the parentheses, and then multiply by the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. That should be our answer. Now for b, this is 2 multiply function. So to take the derivative, we need to use the product rule. So the f function will be t squared and the g function will be natural log of t. We take the derivative of each and now we apply the product rule. This is what the product rule states. So what we're going to do, first term, we'll take f prime multiplied by g and add to it the second term, which is f multiplied by g prime. So here we can simplify that t squared over t gonna be t, and we can factor the t to even simplify more. So gonna be 2 natural log of t plus 1. That is the resulting answer. Here we have square root of 1 plus natural log of 1 minus y. First, what we do is always check if we need to rewrite the function. So what I did is I write that function instead of the square root, I wrote it in terms of the power half. And now we are ready to differentiate that function. Notice in here that our variable that we're gonna differentiate is y, not x or t. So first we have to use the chain rule. We use the outside function first, the derivative of the outside, and the inside will be the whole between the parentheses. So the natural log will become 1 over what's inside, which is 1 minus y, and then we have to apply the chain rule again to take the derivative of 1 minus y. Now we are just simplifying. So I move minus 1 here, and then 2 at the bottom, and then again 1 minus y gonna be the same, and then that term, which is to the power minus half, we can write it on the bottom, and the half will become a square root, and that is the resulting derivative.